Still managing a separate post processor for every cam system? That's a lot of wasted time, and it really doesn't have to be that way. If you're switching between CATIA, NX, Mastercam, or any combination, you know exactly what that means. Different posts, different outputs, constant maintenance. One change in your machine config, and suddenly everything needs updating. Vericut Icam's MultiCAM post processor changes that completely. One single post supports all of them, CATIA, NX, Mastercam, and more, and you still get clean, optimized G-code every single time. Built-in look-ahead, powerful macros, and full Vericut simulation built right into the workflow. No collisions, no surprises, and faster machining across the board. Stop juggling posts. Gain true CAD/CAM freedom and cut your programming time dramatically. Your team gets more done on any machine with any CAM system without the constant overhead of maintaining a library of posts. Head over to Vericut.com to see just how easy MultiCAM can be. The link is in the comments. And I want to hear from you. What's your biggest post-processing headache? Drop it below.